Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create an advance receipt for your sales transaction. So you have created an order confirmation. After that, you have got a amount in advance. How you can log into the system for invoice so that while creating the invoice you may be able to fetch it, and the system also can keep a record that you have received the advance. Let us go to transaction module first of all. So on your left hand side you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Once you will come in transaction module, uh, ARV, which is also called the Advance Receipt Voucher or Advance Document, can be only created after creating PO or OC. With direct invoice, it cannot be created as because direct invoice will be a direct sales option. So here I have already created an order confirmation document. Let me open this particular transaction. I clicked on transaction name and the transaction timeline got opened in front of my screen. So as you can see that I have created only OC. Now going ahead, I need to go ahead and create an advance document. How I can do that? On your right hand side in very top, you will see option of create document. Please click on this. Now, here you will see option of receipt voucher. Once you will click on receipt voucher, this is the receipt voucher page which will get open in front of you. So on your left hand side, all the details are buyer, supplier, which is coming from the OC. If I come in the document number, so as my document number is on auto, so document number is coming automatically. I can very well go ahead and make changes through the customize option. Now it will ask you for the payment date. So payment date is of today. Now going below, this is the item for which I will take the advance. So do remember that always the advance amount will come on before tax amount. You can very well go ahead and add tax into this. Let me show you how. So suppose on this particular order, I received 50% of advance. So what I will do, I will just go and put the 50% and system will calculate the amount automatically. You can also very well go ahead and just enter the amount as well here, and accordingly it will get distributed. Now you need to select the tax. So on this 18% tax was labeled. So I'm just putting the tax here. Do remember that as because ARV document is not a government taxable document, so that is the reason pre-filled tax is not provided. You can select it as per your requirement. Now, this is how I just went ahead and entered the 50% advance, and then after you can see that after enabling the 18% also, each and every detail is coming here. So now I will just unselect as because I don't want to send any email. Here is the total. Now you can very well go ahead and click on save draft in order to save it as draft, and if you have to make any changes later on or if it's finalized, you can very well go ahead and click on save and send, and then it will ask for the details on which the payment have been made. So how was the payment made? So it was an IMPS transaction in the payment account of HDFC. Reference number you can enter, like the tracking number or the transaction number. Comment very well, go ahead and you can enter. So this is how you can very well go ahead and just enter all the details, and after that you need to click on continue, and accordingly your ARV document got created. You can go ahead share it over WhatsApp as well, and after that you can create invoice and fetch this ARV as well. So once you will create the ARV, the payment is also logged in the payments module. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while creating ARV after order confirmation document. Have a good day ahead.